Welcome back, everybody. It's Monty, Shade Apart. It's geometry. And here we are coming back from the Thanksgiving break. We're going to be on week number 12, November 29th to December 3rd. We're starting the month of December, which means we've got those winter holidays coming up. Are you ready for that? Okay, now that we've got to get back into the swing of things, we've wrapped up all that four-sided objects and quadrilaterals and all that sort of stuff. New material, Module 2, Topic 1. And we're going to get started with angle and segment addition. But before we do all that and all this new vocabulary, we've got to do our shout-outs. So let's get going. And we're going to get started with December birthdays. And we're going to start on December 14th with Evan Cavell, December 16th with Catherine Nazarchuk, December 17th, Desmond Bellardi, December 17th, Elijah Glancer, December 18th, Rylan Rumberg, December 20th, Javen Phelps, December 28th, Landon Gray, December 30th, Damian Wickman, December 30th, Heaven Zink. Happy birthday to all of them, and enjoy the month of December. Now, we've got to get to our celebrations for what happened before the Thanksgiving break. And it's a special time for a couple of different reasons. So, we got out our special bell off the boat. All right? And this time, we want to celebrate the fact that everyone in period 3, period 4, and period 5 all are passing and passed the last test. That's awesome, and Monty wants to congratulate all of you. So let's get started. Period 3, congratulations. Each and every person in period 3 should pat themselves on the back and be proud of themselves. Let's do the same thing for period 4. Everyone in period 4. Should reach out, pat themselves on the back, and be proud of the work that they've done in geometry. Thank you. Let's go to period 5. And do the same thing. Let's congratulate each and every person in period 5 for passing geometry and passing the last test. That is outstanding. Hardly ever done. A teacher's proudest moment is when every student participates, tries, and passes the test. So one last ring of the big bell from the boat. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, so we're coming back from Thanksgiving. We had our family gathering. We've probably eaten some popcorn. We've probably eaten some turkey. We've probably rubbed elbows with folks we hadn't seen for a long time, right? With COVID and all, last year's Thanksgiving was really weird, huh? Okay, so we've got some new vocabulary. You know what I always say, geometry is actually fun except for all these vocabulary words. So first we're going to do some angle and segment addition, and then we're going to start to classify triangles. Classify, what do you mean by classify a triangle? Equilateral, acute, isosceles, right triangles, obtuse triangles, interior angle, exterior angles, scalene triangles. Supplementary. What does supplementary mean? Complementary. What is complementary? And then this will be our first discovery day of the year. We're going to discover what the side, side, side rule is. What? What the side, angle, side rule is. What the angle, side, angle rule is. That's what we're going to do this week. And then the week before we go away for our winter break, we've got to do some of this stuff down here. This idea of hypotenuse leg. What's a hypotenuse? What's a leg, right? And why doesn't the angle rule work? What does that mean? So, got a lot of stuff to do. We're going to be focusing on triangles, some notation, and the CPCTC. The CPCTC, what's the CPCTC? That means the corresponding parts of corresponding the corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. So if these two triangles are equal to each other, then each of the corresponding parts is equal to each other. All right, we'll get to that in class. Meanwhile, we got to exercise, got to work off all that food we ate, and do some math. So we'll see you Monday in the classroom. Last ring of the bell.